The fitness industry has lied to you. Most trainers and programs are either too ignorant or too focused on quick fixes to actually help you in a meaningful way that lasts. Sure, they might make you look good for a while, but they are failing where it matters. That is, helping you both look and feel good, stay energized, and live a long, healthy life. Stick around to the end because I am going to show you exactly how to fix that. Here's the truth. Looking good is not enough. If your energy is low, your motivation is gone, and your sleep is garbage, you are missing the point of wellness altogether. It's not your fault though. It's a problem with the entire industry. They are not teaching you how to optimize your body at a cellular level. Most programs only focus on one thing, whether it's weight loss, building muscle, or looking good in a swimsuit. And don't get me wrong, those things are great and we all want them, but what if I told you those results won't last if you don't address the underlying issues, those that are impacting your energy, your health, and your longevity? So let me introduce you to two game changers, hormesis and autophagy. These aren't just fancy words. They're the keys to long-term health and vitality, yes, and looking good too. Hormesis is about controlled stress. Think saunas, ice baths, fasting, and even exercise. At high doses, stress can be harmful, but at the right dose, it makes your body stronger. It is like a superpower that's hidden in plain sight. And autophagy is your body's built-in recycling system. It is how your cells clean out the junk and repurpose what is useful. Think of it as Marie Kondo for your body. When autophagy kicks in, you slow aging, you improve energy, and you even fight off disease. Wellness isn't complicated. It's about small daily actions that optimize your body at every single level. Drink the right kind of water, get real sleep, move your body, expose yourself to hormetic stressors, and stop putting garbage into your system. These things are simple, but we need them laid out for us in a clear way. The Superhuman Blueprint is a 10-week program that simplifies wellness into bite-sized actionable steps. No gym memberships, no expensive equipment, just a proven plan to optimize your energy, health, and longevity right from your home. Hiring a private wellness coach could cost you thousands of dollars. This program gives you all the same tools and strategies for a fraction of the cost, and it's something you can use for life. In 10 weeks, you'll feel energized, look amazing, and have a toolbox of strategies to maintain your health for life. This isn't just a fitness plan, it is a wellness revolution. Stop wasting your time on programs that don't deliver, take control of your health, and unlock your best self. Join the Superhuman Blueprint today and start your transformation.